a quaint town embraced by rolling hills and whispering pines, a diverse community lived out their dreams, fears, and aspirations. This town, seemingly simple, held a profound force that bound its people together. The story unfolded at midnight as the world slept and the night's quiet whispers filled the streets. From the silence emerged an unknown voice, urging everyone to recognize the deep force guiding their every move. The voice spoke of an indescribable power that prompted people to rise and dance, to embrace loved ones, to embark on new journeys, and to express themselves in unimaginable ways. It was the silent conductor orchestrating the symphony of their lives, resonating within every beating heart. Continuing its revelation, the voice described the source of courage that led individuals to change jobs, confess love, compose melodies, and share heartfelt letters. It affirmed that they were loved, a voice uniting them all in a shared experience. The mysterious voice revealed the essence of this guiding force. It was hope. Hope for a brighter tomorrow, hope for reciprocal care, and a hope for the ability to both receive and extend help. In the fabric of their existence, hope wove the threads of compassion and interconnectedness. The story reached its climax, echoing a plea never to surrender to life's inevitable challenges. The voice implored the townspeople to hold on to that quiet voice within, affirming their capabilities and encouraging them to listen closely. And so in the heart of that serene town, under the watchful eyes of the moon and stars, the people learned to cherish the guiding force within them. They embraced hope, dancing through life's challenges and echoing the sentiment to never give up, and the quiet voice that whispered, "You can do it."